this is gonna use Coke. Use Coke as the degreaser and then drink the remaining. Unboxing po tayo sa kanyang timing belt kit. So obviously ito yung kanyang timing belt. So this is a power grip. Although hindi ako binabayaran ng brand na ito, but it's a good brand, as well as the STF. But this one is Gates, or power grip. Gates is also a good brand. So obviously timing belt, once after changing the timing belt, new timing belt you have, this will last up to 10 years after change. But obviously that's that 10 years like 90,000 kilometers, no? So obviously you don't have to wait until 10 years. You have much early to change your timing belt early than 10 years or 9 years. This will last up to 9 years or 9 or 10 years, but much early as you can. It's better to change the timing belt early, like 6 years, 5 years more or less, just to make sure the timing belt is still in good shape before changing it. So timing belt. Moving on, so these are the bolts and nuts for the idle pulley, and then the stud bolt for the what it is, belt tensioner. And then obviously here you have the water pump. Okay, water pump with the gasket on it, and then pulley and everything here. So we're gonna install these things. Okay, as you can see, lovely. So meron po siyang arrow dito, so pagka naggawa kayo ng tension, just follow the arrow sign and then hold it with the Allen key, and then yeah. Okay, so we're gonna change the timing. The water pump first. Like ang may suggest ko lang sana, this is like a suggestion to the manufacturer, who the maker of the timing belt and everything. If you can supply the bolts and nuts for the belt tensioner, idle pulley, and the stud bolt for the belt tensioner and the idle pulley bolts, if you can resupply this, why can't you resupply also the bolts for the water pump, because the bolts as well is getting worn, so you have to come with the kit. Okay, that's only my request. Tayo. kailangan po ito nakabaon talaga. Okay, this is the solution for the water pump. So lagyan na ng pressure. Okay, and push like that. And then para ma-clear yung kanyang kasi merong gasket yan, cylinder, whatever, sa kanyang bolt hose. Okay, para hindi siya nakadisturbo sa retorque. Obviously you have to like hand tight talaga. Okay. So the water pump is holding only 3 bolts and have to be like balanced during the retorque, so it will not probably or make leaking. So this has to be balanced. So once again you have to push. The final push. That's it. This is like human torque. Once the bolts stop turning, then that's it. Obviously this is like to be retorqued like 25 Newton meter. We're gonna be using our torque pins, the old version of torque pins. Kapitan lang natin ng step down. And then that. Okay. And then we're ready for retorque. So, natin sa baba. Okay. Reverse version. Pag gagalaw na yung pointer niya, sa 10, mag-iikot siya sa 10, then that's it. Hindi natin pasobrahan. Input pump lang. Input pumps. Okay guys, so that's it, 10 foot-pounds ang water pump. Okay, that's it.